So we've now completed the finishing stage of our LPJ guitar kit. So from here we need to install hardware, electronics, and then do a final setup. Okay, so the first thing we need to do obviously is install our neck. So as we did originally, we're going to push that heel in first and then bring the neck down. This is especially important now that we've applied finish to the guitar. The finish on the edge is susceptible to chipping, so we need to take care when we install our neck. Then we'll flip the guitar over. Now in your packaging you should have a neck plate with 4 long screws, and the neck plate will have a rubber backing just to protect the finish. So this is all fairly self-explanatory.